So hello everyone, my name is Akshat Chare and continuing with hashtag DrGViswanathanchallenge question number 97. Letter combinations of the phone number. Actually this is it was supposed to be tough question because I have already solved one of this question in GFG Geeks for Geeks. I actually used to solve GFG back then, but in GFG Geeks for Geeks it's a little bit tougher and question. So I thought this question be also going to be tough, but it is it's find out to be easy. So no problem. I have done this question, and this is the space. Okay, two space and time complexities. One is the worst, and one is obviously good. And thing is, both the solution is done by me. I have not seen any video, any solution. Just a small thing I noticed in code is also same. The thing is I have used string, and there are so many addition or deletion functions in string. So instead of using string, this time I've used string builder and one of the class in Java. So it actually drastically improved the space and time complexity. So which is good. So thank you for watching the video, and I will post more videos. Like it's about 3 videos for 100 and somewhat 10 videos for 110. So thank you for watching, and I will post more videos.